As we approach the end of the year, Samsung is gearing up for the launch of the Galaxy S24 lineup, expected on January 17. A crucial aspect of Samsung's preparations involves refining the Exynos 2400, that SoC set to power the base Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus in most markets. Having taken a year off to enhance Exynos chips, Samsung aims to make a strong comeback after facing competition from Qualcomm. While the potential excellence of the Exynos 2400 is acknowledged, the author contends that consumers should not give Samsung and Exynos another chance next year. Regardless of the chip's performance, the argument centers around the idea that flagship phones are a significant investment, and consumers should demand the very best for their money. The author asserts that Samsung has yet to prove it will offer the best with the Galaxy S24 lineup. The narrative emphasizes the perspective that corporations prioritize profits over consumer interests. Despite Samsung's phones being more affordable than iPhones, this is attributed to Samsung's weaker brand power rather than benevolence. The author draws a favorable comparison with Apple, highlighting the impressive performance of iPhone and Mac processors in recent years, contrasting them with perceived shortcomings in Samsung's Exynos chips. While acknowledging the potential efficiency of the Exynos 2400, the author argues that Samsung needs to rebuild trust, especially considering the perceived challenges in making the phone and chip work seamlessly together. A call to action is directed at informed consumers to vote with their wallets and advise those less tech-savvy against opting for a Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus with the Exynos 2400. The possibility of a comeback with the Exynos 2400 is acknowledged, suggesting consumers can reconsider Samsung in 2025. However, for those currently in the market for a flagship phone, the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus are recommended as solid choices. Anticipated upgrades in the S24 and S24 Plus are deemed minor, with some AI features expected to reach the Galaxy S23 series through the One UI 6.1 update. The primary drawback mentioned is missing out on a year of updates with the older models. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.